Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about the issues you have on Netflix, you should just go to settings. Then you click default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the page of Netflix. Then we click force stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Netflix. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your